another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
What's up, y'all? It's Jeremy's, and we back again trying to slay this hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, how I got this lace laid, then stay tuned. Alright, what's up, y'all? We're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna start with my alcohol. If you do not wipe your forehead off with alcohol, it will not stick. As you see, I have already applied my ball cap. I do have a video on how I apply this. I will link it up here. It'll be coming up. And today I'm going to be using this Kiss Almighty dual tip glue. I've been seeing this a lot and I was like, I want to give it a try. I don't want this wig to stay on for that long, so I'm only going to do like 2 coats, and I want to know how it's going to work, okay? So I'm using my wig, my custom unit from J Honey Hair Co. I also use some lace tint from I'ma Slay Your Bae. I think that's her name. I'ma Slay Your Bae. And I'm using it in the color Cappuccino. So we're using a lot of new stuff today, and I hope it turned out good, you know. So, even without the glue, like, let's get into it because this is gonna be fun. Now, it's 2 tips on this glue. I'm going to be using the bigger tip, the silicone tip, and they said the point of using it is because it has this it has this big tip on it, so you don't need anything else. I like that. And y'all, it just glides right on. So the first thing I do is just go along my wig cap, just to make sure it's down good, just like that. Okay. And I'm also, if every time I finish, I'm gonna wipe it off. And it's back clean. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'm gonna go in with a second coat. All right, so this first layer is pretty much dry. So I'm gonna go back in again with the second layer, and I'm only putting 2 because, like I said, I don't want my wig on forever. And then, you know, you have to make the second coat just a little bit wider.
Return the ring, and if you can't hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slay from the crack of dawn, but you act so dumb like your brain is off, so don't yawn.
Alright, and then we're gonna wait for this layer to dry, and I'll be back again. Okay, before, once again, anybody comes for my Christmas tree in the background, I'm trying to find another one. I know I have another one in the house that's a lot fuller than that one. So I'm trying to find it, and I don't want to decorate that one yet. But you know, I'm still trying to be in the Christmas spirit a little bit. So mind your business. So once I get it placed where I want it to, I'm just gonna sit it on there and kind of press it in. Not press it, but just lightly comb the lace into the glue. Just like this. So I have this all secured. I'm gonna go to this side. Go on my blow dryer and just hit it for a little minute. So before I go in and fill in the empty glue spots, I'm gonna cut off like extra lace that I see, and I'm just using my razor. Okay. Okay, so now I have that extra lace cut off. This Almighty Glue has a oops. I used the big side first. Now I'm going to use the little tip on it. And all I'm going to do is go in, like I like to just pull my lace back like this, so you can really see it. And then just go in like that and smooth it out. Okay, so while this is drying, I just put some clips to hold it back. And for smaller pieces like this, I'm gonna use my red tail comb to just go in and smooth it out a little bit more.
Every day I'm blessed, working my finesse, Tiffany on my neck, it's a boo thing, not a new thing. You better get it right if you're talking to me. Must have had a mind smart enough to choose me. Your boy say it's fine, you're supposed to use me. You don't wanna f around hard enough to lose me. So whenever I'm around, would you please salute me?
I have everything down now. I am just going to lightly comb it in like we did before.
Better roll it straight and hold on to me tightly, or I'll break
with my elastic band just to give my edges some pressure, you know. Just gonna go in. And put on my edges. So I'm just gonna go style my hair, and then when it's time for baby hairs, I'll be back. Alright y'all, so all I did was go in and press out my parts some. I couldn't do it on camera because my electric hot comb broke, so I'm having to do an old fashioned on the stove. But that's gonna get hot and it works. So if you know of any good ones that's gonna last a long time, please comment below and let me know what they are. So let's see what this baby looking like up under this elastic band. Ooh, oh, she looking good. Now I'm just gonna go in and get these edges together. I did notice I had this little flap right here that wasn't glued down. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of glue. I use for my baby hair is the Tropical Roots by B&B. Y'all, this mousse is my holy grail. It's what I love. It's what I swear by. And it's what I choose to use. So with this install, like, I'm liking the freshly permed edges look. So I don't want a lot of big baby hair. I'm just gonna keep it nice and simple, and I'm gonna go in and comb out the ones that I have right now.
Return the ring, and if you can't hang now, you can rock a fling. How come every day I slay from the crack of dawn, but you act so dumb like your brain is off, so don't yawn. Wrong, this broad is on, you better get strong. If not, move along now. Somebody better gonna right your wrong. I can sing it for you all day long. Speak to me kindly, I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on.
Alright, you guys, so this is my hair after I took my baby hair off. After I took the scarf off. So now I'm just gonna go in with my tweezers and pull out like all these little hairs that kind of place. These flyaways. I'm going in with the wax stick right here. You just press it up from the bottom for it to come up. Like that. And I'm just gonna go right here. Wax stick. And coming down. I'm also going to go in right here at the top to give it a little height. Like that. And go back in my comb. And comb it out. And I think I want to put me like a little braid right here. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how I laid this lace using the products that I did. I will use everything below. I used the Slay Bay lace tint and some of the So Sharp products, so I'm really excited about those. It came out really well. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Please comment down below if you really liked it, and thank you guys for watching.